Japan's economy has rebounded from an early year slump, growing at 3.1% in the second quarter, driven by a strong uptick in consumer spending. Now, this growth surpasses expectations and supports the case for a potential interest rate hike by the Bank of Japan.
Japan's economy bounced back from a slump at the start of the year, expanding faster than expected in the second quarter. That's thanks to a strong pickup in consumer spending. It helps support the case for another near-term hike in interest rates by the Bank of Japan. Government data out Thursday showed the country's GDP grew 3.1% in the April to June period compared to last year, beating expectations. Private consumption, which accounts for more than half of Japan's output, rose for the first time in over a year by 1%. It had been a soft spot in the economy, though. The country's households have been struggling with the rising cost of living. That's been blamed at least in part on higher import prices because of a weak yen. That same weak currency has seen a surge of tourism, giving retail sales at businesses like Uniqlo a boost. However, rising living costs was one of the factors that prompted Prime Minister Fumio Kishida to announce this week that he plans to resign. Now, analysts say the consumption rebound after more than a year is likely to encourage the central bank to push for the rate hike later this year. Last month, the BOJ raised interest rates to levels not seen in 15 years. It also detailed a plan to slow its huge bond buying in another step toward phasing out Japan's decade of massive monetary stimulus. The bank has forecast that a solid economic recovery will help inflation sustainably hit its 2% target and justify raising interest rates further.